Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. My name is Chelen and welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you 3 pieces that I've done recently. I had posted them in a few groups and a few people wanted to see the process that I went through to make those pieces. So you can see them in the background here actually. They have dried really well. It's really nice and smooth. Unfortunately, you can't really see the shimmer of some of the paints uh, at the moment, but once I put a layer of resin on top of it, it will all just come back to life and look so amazing. So for today, I thought it would also be helpful if I would share my experience with some of the tools that I've used to create those pieces, but also with some of the tools that I've used in the past when I tried to use this technique. Now the reason that I wanted to go through the tools that I'm using is because for this technique, as you will see in the video, I lay the paint on the palette knife and then I swipe that on the canvas. So for these palette knives, these are the ones that I was using. I tried the first time around. As you can see, they're quite small. So the issues that I had was the surface area was so small that I could only put 3 or 4 colors on the knife before everything started falling over. So depending on the look that you're going for and the size of the canvas that you're using, this may work, this may not work for you. For me, I was using similar size canvas as these. These are 8 by 10 inch. And I thought that the composition, I didn't quite like it because there was just a lot more negative space than I wanted, and I just didn't feel that the piece was balanced enough. So I just really didn't like the result. I recently went to buy a few art supplies, as we all do, and I came across these 2 palette knives. Now these are, as you can see, the surface area is quite big, so that means it would hold a lot more paint. So if you're one of those artists who loves your colors and love, just piling them on and having a whole multitude of colors on your artwork, these would work a lot better for you. So I've bought 2 sizes because simply I could not decide which size to get, and I really did not know what would work better and not. So I've ended up buying both of them. But if you're a bit more decisive than I am, you don't have to buy both. You can just pick one at a time and then see how you go. For the first and the third painting that you will see in the video, I've used the smaller version of this. For me, I think that gave me just enough balance in terms of colors versus negative space, and I like that look a lot more. On the same day, I went to another paint shop and I came across this guy. Now this is a bit bigger, so probably a size up from the other 2, and I've used this one for the second canvas in the video, and this will hold a lot more paint, but that also means that you will have a lot more color on your canvas and less negative space, so just keep that in mind. So far, what I've learned is that the size of your paint, your canvas, and the size of your tool will make a big difference to the artwork that you're gonna end up with. So really play around with those so you can see what you like and what you don't like. Sure, you may end up scraping a few pieces or a lot of pieces to begin with, but really that's the only way you're gonna find what works for you. But the important thing is for you to really have fun and just just experiment as much as possible. So what I'll do, I'll put some nice music on so you can really just enjoy the process of making these pieces. If you do give this a go, I would really love to hear your experience and see some of your results perhaps in the comments below. So don't be shy and just drop me a note. If you have any questions, please again drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to try and get back to you as soon as possible. So please like and share this video so that more people get to see this content. If you have found this video helpful, please consider subscribing. That way you'll get to see more content like this. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. See ya.
We're gonna keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. 'Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still